I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by selecting the right pan. A good non-stick option or a properly seasoned cast iron skillet works best. In this video, I will explain how to make scrambled eggs that don't stick. First, place your pan over medium-low heat and allow it to warm up for about 2 minutes. Then, add 1 tablespoon of butter or a neutral oil, ensuring it melts and coats the entire cooking surface evenly. This initial step is crucial for preventing sticking. For a fluffy texture, whisk 2 to 3 large eggs with 1 tablespoon of milk or cream until just combined, avoiding over-whisking. Season your mixture with a small pinch of salt and pepper right before cooking. Now, pour the prepared egg mixture into your warm, buttered pan. Maintaining a consistent medium-low heat is key to a gentle cook, preventing the eggs from burning or adhering to the pan. Once the eggs are in the pan, let them sit undisturbed for about 30 seconds, allowing the bottom to just begin to set. Then, using a heat-resistant rubber spatula, gently push the cooked edges towards the center, allowing the uncooked egg to flow underneath. Continue this gentle folding and pushing motion for about 2 to 3 minutes until the eggs are mostly set but still slightly moist. The secret to perfectly creamy, non-stick scrambled eggs is to remove them from the heat when they are still slightly wet and glossy, not completely dry. You can stir in an additional 1 teaspoon of butter at this stage for an extra rich and creamy finish. Transfer your delicious, fluffy scrambled eggs immediately to a warm plate and enjoy them right away for the best flavor and texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.